Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Thanks for watching my video. My name is Yvaana Reid and I am Operations Director for Havilah Financial. I am coming on today because I wanted to share a little bit about myself as a director of the company, just to kind of give you guys a bit of a face or another face of Havilah Financial, so yeah, you can see who I am and yeah, what I do, and a little bit about my story as a trader. That's part of the reason why I'm sharing my story today, because I'm sure there's many people just like me who thought that they're traders until you met someone who actually can trade and who teaches you to trade. So that's kind of what I'm trying to encourage you guys today, to kind of really realize what it is you're doing, or what you think it is you're doing, and get knowledge and benefit yourself in the long term. So as you can see, I've not come out today presenting myself in like your typical, usual lifestyle trader image. And there's a reason for that, because I want you actually to be able to hear the words that I'm saying to you and focus on what I'm saying instead of the glamour that I'm presenting to you. So I'm hoping that you do watch all the way to the end of the video and you become inspired to gain knowledge that will help you in the long term, just like you. And I walk the streets, I'll go to a coffee shop, I'll go to Sainsbury's or Tesco, whatever, buy my food shopping just like everybody else. And you might even pass me in the street and not recognize me or not, think anything of me. But I have something that sets me apart a little bit, which allows me to be able to support myself financially if ever I lost that full-time job. I do all of those things, and you could even pass me in the street and not really think, oh yeah, that person's a trader. Why? Because the image that you've been shown before shows like some amazing lifestyle that possibly none of us can ever reach and none of us can ever achieve. And I don't want you to feel like it's something that's not achievable, that it's something out of your reach. It just takes a little bit of dedication to learn how to trade effectively as well, in a way that can support your financial freedom. So I said to you earlier that I'm a trader. I can confidently say now that I am a trader. Before, I used to trade signals. So last year, about summertime, I started trading signals and really thought like, yeah, I'm a trader. Look at me, because I make a little bit of money next to my full-time job. And yeah, I used to make, or I could make about £100 a day sometimes, depending on the day. If it's a good day, bad day, market's doing funny things. And I say funny things because that's what it was at the time, because I didn't know anything. It was just like, yeah, it's just going up, it's going down. So like, I don't know, but I didn't know like what actually was going on. I didn't understand it. I just knew, yeah, it's going up or it's going down. And so I made about £20, £50, £100 a day, like, on the best days. But in reality, I lost thousands because I was trading off someone else's knowledge. They sent signals in a group chat, and yeah, I was just like, okay, cool, like easy stuff, right? Just put this into the trading platform, and away you go. You just wait for the cash to roll in. That's kind of what's sold to people, and it can go well and it can go really wrong. And the reason it can go really wrong is because you don't understand what the chart is doing when you're looking at it. You don't know what the market is saying at the time because you don't have the knowledge to back it up. So you don't know when to pull out of a trade. You don't know the best time to enter a trade. You're just going on what someone else has told you. So it's really important for us to get knowledge for ourselves so we can make better decisions when you're in the marketplace. And that's what Havilah Financial Academy is setting out to do. We want to actually give you the knowledge. It's not just trading signals, it's actually knowledge of how to trade. So when you're in the market, you are equipped to actually be an effective trader and therefore a profitable one. So I said before that I lost thousands. Well, I know of people who lost tens of thousands, and to be honest, as a result, they lost their jobs, they lost the roof over their head, and they lost loved ones. And some of them even nearly went as far as to lose their lives. through depression because of the circumstance. So something that I'm really passionate about, and obviously that's part of why it's so important to the Academy, is making sure that everyone who goes into the marketplace, who comes through Havilah Financial Academy, has the knowledge to actually be successful in the market. Now, I know for some of those people who I've mentioned, thankfully they had good people around them who could support them back to being functional in society. But not everyone has that opportunity, and I'm doing this video today because I know that must be familiar for some of you guys. At least there's at least one person who's watching this video now will know that, yeah, that sounds like me. I lost a lot of money trading signals, and it impacted my life on a great scale. So this video is for you, and it's also a warning for those people who are considering trading, who have seen companies or individuals who are selling signals. It's not necessarily to say signals are bad and signals don't have their place, but as an individual, it's important for you to have the knowledge yourself, so that when you do go out into the marketplace, you can fend for yourself, because that person sending you signals, they're not there with you to tell you when to back out. They're not there with you to tell you when to enter a trade. They're not there with you to tell you when the market is as I would say, moving funny, because they're just getting on with their life. They know how to trade. So they've pulled out already, or they've entered a trade already. So I want you to really realize that it is so much more than just, oh yeah, quick, get rich quick scheme. And I know for a long time, that's been what people perceive of trading. It's like, yeah, I can just go in and I can just throw some numbers in and money comes out. It doesn't work like that. There's a process to it, and you need to know and understand what the marketplace is, what money really is, and what people are actually doing with your money. So when you're not trading, there's companies that are trading your money for you. And to be honest, we'd get more into that, but I don't have time now to kind of go into the depths of it. But it's about asking questions and not always accepting what's being presented to you as fact or as the truth. You need to ask more questions, and you need to check the information that people are giving you, and against the results. So don't just look at someone's lifestyle and think, yeah, I want that too, and all I need to do is throw some numbers in a software. No, that person, trust me, they've studied, they sat there and they learned how to trade. That's why they're an effective trader. That's why they can live a certain lifestyle, and that's why they can present it to you. They're just presenting to you the end result. They're not presenting to you all of what happened before then, all of the losses, or all of the hardships that they had to overcome in order to actually get to that point. All the books they had to study or information they had to read, they don't tell you that. So as I said, signals, it has its place. I believe that it has its place, but it is an end result. It's a product of learning how to trade. At Havilah Financial Academy, we actually teach you how to trade. So yeah, that's why I'm here today, to tell you about Havilah Financial Academy, because I want you to get the knowledge so that you can support yourself better in the long run. As I said to you before, I consider myself to be one of the lucky ones. I was able to meet someone who could teach me how to trade, and for that I'm very grateful. I'm forever grateful. They showed me a higher level of knowledge and understanding that I didn't have before. But I had to be in a position where I could look at myself and be honest and admit that I didn't know how to trade. That was the first step. So thank you for watching till the end of this video. I know videos can be a bit long. We have short attention spans, etc. But for those of you that have watched all the way to the end, I thank you very much for your time today. And I'm hoping that you have heard my words and the sincerity of my heart to call you into a place of true knowledge and support for your future, your financial freedom. if you do want any more information about how to learn to trade with Havilah Financial Academy, please do head to our website, www.havilahfinancial.com. We're also on Instagram, and we are also on Twitter and Facebook. So please do check us out and send us a message. We would love to teach you how to trade. And as I said before, it's not just about trading, as in terms of putting in trades. There's a lot more to it, and I'm going to put the information as well with this video about what we would teach you. Yeah, give us a call, give us an email, drop us a message. We're always happy to talk to you, and I look forward to hearing from some of you guys soon. So thank you again for today. I'm Yvaana, Operations Director for Havilah Financial, and yeah, I look forward to meeting you. See ya.